Hey, it's Maher. We are on our way to the Pyro Yard to light some more fireworks tonight, and just as I was stopping to pick up some more stuff, I saw the Burning High School and the Jumping Jewels. I haven't had this one before. Out of all the fireworks I've done from Kaboom, I have not seen Jumping Jewels, and I have not purchased, I have not lit it, I have not bought it. Oops, sorry. Let me fix that. So we're all going to be doing this at the exact same time, seeing it for the first time. It's a honking thing. Like, let's put it into comparison to Dancing Stars, right? Half the size, well, okay, 3/4 the size. So it's described here as a loud silver crackles with jumping beans up to a height of 3 meters for a duration of 60 seconds. So it's a full minute. It says non-aerial fireworks, emits shower of sparks, height is 3 meters, spectators must be 6 meters away, so yes, twice as wide as you are high. Place on level surface and partially bury. And? Oh, or partially bury. Light fuse and stand clear. Now, I'm trying to feel what's inside. Like my curiosity. I feel a gigantic ring here and also a ring here, but there's a huge dead space. I'm not too sure what that is. I'm not really inclined to open that and rip it open before I buy it. But yeah, that's coming with me. No, I think I'm gonna get 2. One more. Okay, we're gonna go light these off. All right, now it's time for the Jumpin Jewels. Let's do this.
There's a big fuse just on the top there.
Oh yeah, this is what I was curious. Can you peel back the paper actually now that we're here? Because now I forgot that I was curious about what it would look like on the inside. Oh,
so it's just a bunch of different tubes.
that actually makes more sense, and that's actually kind of funny.
Just a spacer.
Okay, let's do this, dude. Wait, who has a lighter?
Yeah.
Did I have a lighter?
You said you had one.
Uh-oh. Right now.
You had one at one point, right?
I had one at one point.
Alright, let me check my phone.
Oh, I have it. Just kidding. Here you go. Give me 2 seconds. Oh, that's fine. Okay.
Jumpin Jewels. Fuck.
There we go. Oh no, my glasses! Woo. Maybe get out of the smoke. Oh no, I gotta go this way. Ooh, there we go, much better. Oh, but that's so pretty. Can you go close my card trunk? Thanks. Oh, there's the other one. Ooh, pretty.
Exactly what I needed.
That was way better than I thought it was gonna be.
That second half.
And that dude's saying to do it upside down. Oh man. All right.
Good one. I like that quite a bit.
That was a great one. That's Jumpin Jewels from Kaboom Fireworks. As always, thanks for watching.